Welcome back, and we are still on numbering and drawing creation. So we are going to create, we had created assembly drawing and part drawing, the basic way you can create single and part drawing COMOSYS. Now, we briefly touched on the GA drawing when we were creating part and assembly drawings. So we had created this drawing frame. This is the location where when we create the drawings here, this is the drawing frame. So we will be pulling our GA drawings from the model views, from the views we created here. And we can see, you can see we have the 3D view. So if we want a 3D view, we can always right click and create a viewport. So if you create a viewport here, you can see it's way big. It's massively big than our drawing frame. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to double click inside there. So from inside there, I can adjust the scale maybe to 100 right there. Then click apply. So the moment I click apply, and you can see the viewport is too big and it's bigger than our drawing frame. So what we are going to do, I'm going to double click inside once again and click fit. So the moment I click fit, I'll be able to fit it inside here. And we go ahead and create, maybe create an elevation from view line 1. Then I'll right click and come to create viewport. So if I click create viewport, I'll double click inside here and modify and adjust the scale right there. So I'll save this scale as a default and click OK. Then fit my viewport like that and apply as a default and click OK, and that's all. So we have that line right there. So I'll come to elevation, a plan at 5 meter high, then right click and click on that, and I'll be able to use the same scale I've set as a default. So you can see the view plan here, we have the drawings there. And we can come here and create create a drawing from that plan, from that view line, from that height of 8. So you see we have everything in place and without dimensions. So the tools available for dimensions, the tools are available for dimensions in COMOSYS under drawings section here. So I can pick on dimensions here and can always go and pick linear dimensions here by selecting the whole thing. I want to select the whole thing here and I'll just click linear dimensions. Or I can just go ahead and start dimensioning manually. So let me just pick on that and try and create dimensions here. So if I come to linear dimensions, auto dimensions, and try to create dimensions there, they're supposed to come automatically, but that will be handled on a different topic where I'll be specifically touching on the dimensions of a general drawing in COMOSYS. So as well, we can always come and under annotate and auto annotate view. So the moment we select on this and we come to auto annotate view, we can always select on that. If you are on a rebar, if we are working on the rebar, and you can always pick on that, and that will be all automatically annotated. But this will come on a different topic. So if we come here and click on that, we'll be able to have all the parts will be labeled automatically, and we can always go sit back and get rid of that or hide all those settings there. And we can also come to dimensions and come and try create a horizontal and vertical dimensions by just snapping on the edge there to create some connection, right? Like in that particular case, we have a connection right there. So I'll just right click to terminate it from that spot. So I'll snap on that spot and maybe create that. So on a different topic, the next topic will be specifically on how we can create or annotate our drawing in GA. So let me meet you in the next presentation or in the next topic, specifically for general arrangement drawing annotation. So let's meet then. Bye bye.